Hey, what is happening, everybody? I would like to welcome you to BossLife Residual mobile app. If you're here, it's probably because you saw a post by me or one of my team members that's out here promoting this amazing app, helping people to get that residual income set up. Now, what is BossLife Residual mobile app? Well, this is a mobile app that you're going to be using to make $25 over and over again instantly, as well as what's going to be coming into your home residually each and every month. You can build a powerful income with this $25 app. Why? Because it's being paid to you directly and it's being paid to you each and every month. So what I'm going to do for the next few minutes is introduce this to you so you can get a really good vision and view of how this thing can change your financial situation. So now, the Boss Life is a mobile residual app that is about to change the way that we earn with our mobile devices. The Boss Life mobile app gives you the power to earn $25 instantly and residually per person that purchases it through your personalized mobile app link. So you're going to have your own link and everything set up. You send them your link. It's going to have your information on it. You're going to get paid 25 plus it's going to set them up to pay you 25 per month. And we'll take care of all that and make sure that that is happening. Okay. So this thing is super simple, guys. How do our members earn? Our Boss Life mobile app members earn a great monthly residual income by simply selling the $25 monthly subscription. By earning $25 monthly subscription payments, our members are able to quickly supercharge their incomes. So you're basically getting $25 over and over, right? Because when they give you $25, they're going to get a new product from us each month. Each month they receive a new product when they pay their subscription. So that is something that's exciting. People will be getting great products and services working with this mobile app. Right now, the power of one. Let's look at that. Now, we know that it costs $25 to come in, right, to get set up, and it costs $10 to get your mobile app, right? So what that's a total of $35. Now, what we want to do is we want to get your $25 back because remember now, the $10 is covering your app itself. So we want to get your $25 back into your pocket. How do we do this? Well, if you bring in one person, that one person will be the person that pays your residual every month to be here, as well as put your $25 back in your pocket that you just spent. See that, guys? The power of one. Once that person comes in, your payment is covered. Right? Everything from that point on is pure profit. Our subscriptions. Each month, that a member pays their subscription, they will receive powerful training, digital downloads. They will also receive 100% resale and redistribution rights of these digital products. So that means that they can take the digital products that we give them, which is in the form of ebooks. And these are some great training, guys. I'm telling you, there's some great stuff here. You're able to take these and put these on Amazon and eBay if you like to, or you could just leave them here in the system and earn as people are paying you the 25 per month. They're getting the new products. So you have multiple ways of making money with this app, guys. This thing is amazing. Now, let's take a look at the steps. Step number one, Boss Life. You want to first set up your subscription for $25. That's going to go to your sponsor. The next thing you want to do is order your own mobile app so it can get monetized just like your sponsor's app. That's $10, guys. Something that's super simple, right? So that means that now you got your mobile app up and now you're able to start receiving. Start sharing your Boss Life app with everyone you know, especially on social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, and of course, Instagram. What happens is you get paid instantly. Plus, you get paid every month from everybody that has that app because everybody want to maintain their app so they can keep making money with it, right? So you're going to get paid $25 per month per person. Imagine that, right? Boss Life Residual mobile app, $1,000 blueprint. This is the blueprint that we use. Now, you don't have to use it if you don't like, but this is the blueprint that we go according to. So if I send out, right, send out 10 pre-written messages. We prepare the messages for you, and I'm going to show you those shortly. If I send out 10 of those per day, let's just say, for instance, all 10 of the people say, well, hey, yeah, I'm interested. Let me do it. Let me in. So that means that on that day at $25, you've made $250, guys, just from moving a mobile app, just from giving somebody an app that's going to pay residuals. But not only that, you've also set up a $250 per month payday coming in. Imagine now, check that out. You're getting $250 instantly, plus that will be coming to you next month on that same day. That is amazing. The next thing you want to do after you send that message to those 10 people is respond with our pre-written response. We're going to give you the pre-written response that you're going to respond to inquiries with. So that way you don't have to try to guess what to say to the people or make up anything. We already have what is proven to work, and we're going to give that to you. When your prospects see the value and simplicity of this Boss Life mobile app, they will join and you will earn $25 instantly. And once again, you set that up to come in residually per person. I love it, guys. Boss Life Residual mobile app private invite. Take a look at it. This is it right here. This is our private invite message that we send to people. They like it, they join, you get paid, right? When they see this invite. If they ask for information further, you send them this. This is the information that you send them. This is all on your app. So all you got to do is copy it, remove right here where it says their name and put their name there because you want to make it personable, right? And then on top of that, you want to put your link right here. So this thing is amazing, guys. There's nothing to it but to do it, and we're going to show you how. Super excited. Now, Boss Life mobile app, getting started. The only thing that you're going to do, you're going to get your subscription for $25 from your sponsor. You're going to sign up and get your mobile app created, and you're going to go to work. It takes no time to get that app created and up and running, right? So that is it. Now, if you look right here, it shows the Cash App that you will be paying to. That would be your Cash App right there that you get paid to when somebody get ready to pay you. 25 bucks, right? And you're going to have proof that they paid you because you're going to see it right there. Plus, they're going to send you an email. Then right here, you see where it says get your mobile app. You just click that link. It takes you over to get your mobile app. Let's take a look at that. We can head over now, I think. Yeah, we can. Let's go over and take a look at this mobile app. I mean, it's simple, guys, to register for this stuff. It doesn't take much. Let's go over here and let's see what we got. Order the mobile app. So when you order the mobile app, it's going to take you to our mobile app page. You simply fill out the information right there. Put your Cash App information there so that way when they're creating your app, you'll see that just like you saw on the one previously where people can see it. Tells who your sponsor name is. We need to know who your sponsor is so that way if we can't reach you, we can reach your sponsor and let them know, hey, that app is ready. Tell them to get it and put the date on here. This is most important because when you put the date on here, this dates when your payment is due next month. So this is going to be in our database as well as with your sponsor. So that way when your $25 is due, you send your $25 to your sponsor. If you don't pay your sponsor, we will know that you didn't pay because we have it set up where we get the information and then your app will be turned off. So you don't want to get your app turned off. You want to make sure that you keep that app up and going. You could actually pay it a day early. That's what I would do. Pay that app fee a day early. Now I want to show you a quick compensation plan, guys. This something, man, oh my God, the breakdown is amazing, guys. Now, this compensation plan is just me showing you how you can make this money in a couple of days. Let's just say, for instance, let's move from the left to the right and assume that you're in already. So, based upon that information, we're looking at the apps sold daily, the daily income from those apps, the weekly income, and monthly. So let's just say if you move 5 apps per day, that's $125 times the 7 days. Now I'm looking at 7 days, right? So if you time the 7 days, that's $875 for the week. Guys, that's $3,500 a month from a $25 app. And you did not do any work but try to help some people make some money. Plus, you got payment proofs. People going to be like, well, man, that app doing that? Yes, because when you join our group, we're going to be posting proofs and they're going to be saying all over Facebook, Instagram. So, hey, they're going to see this person is making money with this app. Let me get in. The only thing that you have to do is show up, give them the information, and get paid. We're going to set it up for them. They're going to get their app. They're making money, right? Now, let's say, for instance, you bring in 10 people in a day, which is absolutely possible, guys. It's not hard to do. Why? Because it only takes less than 5 minutes to send out a couple messages and then follow up with them. That's nothing, guys, right? We can do that. If 10 apps, guys, you move 10 apps per day, that's 250 bucks. That is a total of, guys, come on. That ain't bad at all. $1,750 for the week, $7K for the month. Who would like to see that coming in? $7K in a month from a $25 app, guys. Basically a $35 investment. Guys, you cannot beat that, right? Now let's look at the big boy. Let's say if you do 20 per day. Totally possible, guys, because it doesn't take no time to do it, right? The message is already prepared. You copy the message, you paste it in to people, bam, 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 send it to all of these people, then follow up with them. That's super simple, guys, super simple. And if they say, well, yeah, I need more information, you just basically say, well, hey, can I add you to our group chat? So that way you can get them, right, guys? See, we got it set up for you to make this money. So if you bring in 20 people, that is a total of $500, guys. 500 bucks, man, for the day, 3,500 for that week, a total of 14K for the month. How would you like to see 14K coming in for the month? Oh yeah, that's amazing, right? Let's look at some low numbers. Let's just say, for instance, if you brought in 2 people per day, it really doesn't matter because of the simple fact that this residuals. These are residuals. So if you brought in 2 people, that's $50, right? If you did that every week, that's $50 isn't a lot, but that's $350 for the week, right? $350 for the week, which means that that's $1,400 for the month. That's not bad, guys. So you see, there's no loss here. There's no way for you to lose in this thing. It doesn't matter. If you get out here and you work hard, it's going to pay off hard for you. If you get out here and you're working slow, it's going to pay off, but the numbers won't be as big. But it's income, guys. It's income. And that is what it's all about during these hard times since COVID-19 have left everybody paralyzed financially. So this can help you to get to where it is you need to be. Okay. So, like I said, I want to welcome you guys in advance because I know you're coming in here. You're going to use this mobile app to get what you need to survive out here because there's struggles going on. People are struggling. These are struggles going on. This will help you to get to where you need to be. We're going to kick off our calls. We'll be starting next week. I believe we're starting on the first week of December, right? Because December 1st is past. Today is December 3rd. And so we will be kicking off, man, next week. And you guys will be able to get on our calls and let us help you to get your people in, get your questions answered. Anything that you need, we're going to be here for you. Boss Life Residual mobile app, that is part of our App Kings. We're creating so many mobile apps, guys. We went totally mobile over here at K5 World Marketing, and we brought in the App Kings, and we're getting great applications for you guys. Wait until you see the products that's on the inside of this. It's going to blow your mind. This thing is amazing. And they're yours to keep, yours to do with as you will, but make sure that you're giving them to people as they're taking possession of this app. So this is your boy KR coming to you live and direct once again out of Chi-Town. If you're here because of one of my members, get back in touch with them. Let them know that you've seen the presentation, you're super excited about it, and you're ready to start making this residual income over here with the App Kings and the Boss Life Residual mobile app. So you guys have a great night and a great day tomorrow, and take care.